Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is an unboxing video. I picked up a new Marc Jacobs bag I have been looking at for a while. I saw it on the Neiman Marcus website and now it's in my home. So I thought I'd share it with you. So if that sounds interesting, then just keep watching. Okay guys, I've been waiting for you guys to dig into this bag. I am so excited. Like I said, if you have watched my channel for any amount of time, you know I am a huge Marc Jacobs fan. His bags are quality, they're stunning, and I just feel like they're affordable for the quality that he brings. And I'm just never disappointed. And it looks like to me today is going to be no different. Oh my goodness, you guys, this is gorgeous. So this is, oh my goodness, this is so pretty, you guys. Sorry, I have to take a second. I did not expect that shade of red. It is more gorgeous than on the website. It is in the shade Siren, and that is gorgeous. Like, it's the most beautiful shade of red. It's not too bright or too in your face. It is the most elegant, subtle, but in the best possible way of being subtle. This shade of red is gorgeous. Okay, can you tell I'm a little bit excited? Oh, gorgeous. Okay, let's continue unwrapping. So although it does say the tote bag Marc Jacobs on the front, it is actually called a Marc Jacobs the Turnlock Crossbody tote bag. Ooh. Oh, you guys, this is gorgeous. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so this to me is gonna be an everyday, grab your bag on the way out the door for errands, for weekend shopping trips, for a night out with your girlfriends or a date night. And this is gorgeous. I am so excited. Okay, if you can't tell, I can't get all the wrapping off fast enough. This is so beautiful. Oh, okay. Let's work on the chain now. Okay, so when I first saw the Turnlock Crossbody tote bag, I knew this was one of the bags that I wanted in my collection. I felt like it was absolutely my type of bag. It is a smaller bag, but I've just been migrating towards smaller bags here lately. I feel like my kids are a little bit older and I don't have to carry everything every time I leave my house now. So it makes it a little bit easier. So here is the strap. So that's gonna be comfortable on the shoulder or as a crossbody. And then this is a nice, it's a very substantial, heavyweight chain. It's lovely. So I'm pleased with that. Let me go ahead and see how you attach it in here. Okay. So that's a little different. Let me see if you can see this. So the way you attach this is it has this little tiny little beam here, and you just stick it in the D-ring and pull it through. Okay, so that's not easy. Let me just tell you that right now. That is not an easy thing, but it's doable. Okay, we got it. There we have it. So long, gorgeous strap. So let me show you the bag up close and then we'll see all the specs of it. This bag, you guys, it is stunning. So this is why it's called the Turnlock Crossbody, because it has this great turn lock. I love that. So you can see it has the beautiful The Tote Bag, Marc Jacobs embossed on the front of this bag. Absolutely stunning, you guys. This is beautiful. All right, so the top handle is 3.4 drops, 3.4 inches in the handle drop of this bag. It is made out of the most gorgeous calf skin leather. It is soft and supple and just beautiful. Has the nicest sheen to the bag. And then of course, right here, it has the little signature patch there that says Marc Jacobs. And then of course the style says Marc Jacobs, the tote bag, little turn lock there. And then the flap just comes up. So inside is a large interior compartment of this great zipper in the back. And let's see what's in here. Just the Marc Jacobs care card. But you can easily fit like a card holder, some lipstick. It's a nice size back pocket there. And then, you guys, are you kidding me? Thank you, Marc Jacobs, for giving us what we always want in a bag. These gorgeous little metal feet to protect the bottom of your bag, especially when it's leather like this one. That is what we want. This bag is 5.7 inches in the height of this bag. It is 7.1 inches in the width of this bag, and then it is 4.3 inches in the depth. So this bag retails for $395. I feel like the fact that it is 100%. It is calfskin leather. It is stunning, and it checks all the boxes for a stunning handbag. So I'm here for it. This is beautiful. Let's see what fits inside so you can kind of make a decision if this is the kind of bag that you would like in your collection or not. So let me see. Let me go grab my purse. I'm just going to pop my wallet in here. Beautiful Coach wallet. I picked this up at the Coach outlet mall when I was on vacation this summer. So pretty. And that fits in there beautifully. Tons of room left. I love these Marc Jacobs tote bags. They always seem to have more room for anything your heart desires. So I just have this little pouch. It has some cough drops, some Dramamine for my little girl who gets car sick. I have some wet ones in here, some lens wipes for my sunglasses, and some Benadryl, as well as like Claritin for allergies, and fits perfectly right in there. I also always carry, I also always carry a hand sanitizer and some mints. Let's see if we can fit all this in there. Yep, easy. So that's what that looks like so far. I can fit a makeup mirror, such a cute little Coach one I picked up at the Coach outlet mall. And then I also have my phone charger that I don't leave home without. And then I also always carry a lipstick, which right now I've been loving this Dior lip glow. This is in the shade, the lip glow in the shade Cherry, and it is so pretty. And I thought, you know what? I've got to have a pop of cherry with this kind of a bag. So it's super subtle. It's not super pigmented. It's really just the most gorgeous gloss, glowy balm. All right, so that's going in there. And then I also usually carry just a lip gloss. This is by Lawless, Forget the Filler. Really good, nice creamy pink that can go over pretty much any lip color that you have. It's gorgeous. So let me just show you. It fits all the things, and it could easily fit more, but I try not to stuff my bags because who wants to carry all that excess weight around? So let's go ahead. I'll show you what it looks like on, and that way you can kind of have an idea if this bag might be right for you or not. Okay, so this is the Marc Jacobs Turnlock Crossbody tote bag, and it is so cute, right? And I will definitely be carrying it just like this. This is stunning, you guys. So beautiful. Just the perfect size crossbody, not too big and not too small. I absolutely love it. So I'm 5'10" for reference. So clearly it has a nice long strap, easy for shoulder bag carry. And let's check it out. Crossbody. Oh, perfect. So beautiful. What do you guys think? So pretty. I love this bag, you guys. So excited. What do you guys think? I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing of this gorgeous new Marc Jacobs Turnlock Crossbody tote bag. It is stunning. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it. And I'd love it so much if you'd subscribe so I can see you in my next video. And until next time, bye guys.